In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Puma clothing promo codes in 2024. So this is pretty simple and let's jump right into it. First of all, open your web browser and go to Google and search for Puma promo code. Right here, if you scroll down a little bit, you should be able to find this website, which is called retrieve.com. And right here, we have some promo codes that we can use. And for example, if I want to get this one with 20% off, all I have to do right here is select copy code, and this is the discount code that I can use on my next purchase to get that 20% discount. Also, we have right here other websites that we can use in order to get some promo codes. For example, this one right here, which is Glamour. And as you can see right here, we have some deals that we can choose from. For example, right here, if I want to get this one with 10% off all purchases at Cordua, all I have to do is select get coupon right here. And this is the promo code that I can use in order to get my discount on my next purchase. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.